Hi, my name is Scott Steele, and I'm here to give a demonstration of the Starry Messenger website. Starry Messenger was inspired by a treatise of the same name by Galileo Galilei, and it aims to make available images from NASA's open APIs so that users can browse the site and collect their favorites into a cart so that the images can be downloaded. The source code for this site can be found on my GitHub under the Starry Messenger repo. Here you can see all the files, the scripts, and the styles. The home page welcomes the user with a jumbotron that invites the user to explore. It also features a carousel here. Here you can see Curiosity taking a selfie. And the carousel has two controls, the arrow buttons on the sides, as well as these buttons towards the bottom. It also features a picture of the day. This changes every day, and it's dynamically loaded from NASA's Picture of the Day endpoint. Each image on the site is featured in this format. It has the image, a title, metadata about the image, and a button that allows you to add the picture to your favorites as well as to remove it. The site focuses on various categories. Their feature pages. Here is Earth's feature page. I'm going to go ahead and add this attractive photo from Scotland. There's a page dedicated to Mars. I'll add this one, a little drab, but I'll take it. And this is my favorite. It's the Hubble telescope page, and these images are absolutely stunning. I'm going to take the penguin and the egg. You can see the penguin and an egg. And now going to the favorites, you can see that all of my favorites are now on my cart, and I can add or remove these as I like. I can also remove all of them, so I could remove one, and now you can see that it's been removed. I'm going to go ahead and just remove all just to demonstrate that functionality. I'm going to add that penguin back, so that's back in my cart. We also have an About page, a little bit about the site, plus some information on the API itself, and an image, of course, from the Starry Messenger. I also want to demonstrate the site in use under different browsers, as well as, let's see, that was Firefox, this is Safari. I also want to show the site, how it would view in mobile. So here you can see how it would look on an iPhone 6, 7, or 8. And I'm going to go ahead back to my favorites, and I'm going to go ahead and download this one. It says download, and as you can see, the image was just downloaded. There's one more feature I want to demonstrate, which is the browser warning. This reset browser warning. That's it. Okay. I have a browser warning so that the first time you load the favorites page, you'll get some information about how the site uses local storage. Local storage is how state is transferred from page to page, and without it, the cart wouldn't function. So here, it's detected Safari because I'm using an iPhone here, or at least simulating one. And it just gives some information about, it makes a best effort to detect the browser and guides the user towards some help to make sure that local storage is enabled. Now note that, somewhat ironically, the warning uses local storage to make sure that the warning isn't displayed again. If I refresh the page, note that we don't see the warning. I want to quickly show some of the JavaScript that is used to make all of this possible. There's really not too much HTML. If I go to, for example, Earth, you can see here's the entirety of the body, And for each feed, I'm creating an unordered list, and it's actually the script that is populating the feed. So when I look at Earth, it's calling this extract and append, and all of the pages make use of this. It dynamically constructs a list element tag, and it appends it to the target class. Here it happens to be the feed class. You can see this right here. For example, here's the feed on the favorites page, and you can see I'm pulling from all of the various resources: Hubble, Earth, Mars. And then also here we have the cart. The cart is also loaded with JavaScript, and all of the buttons have their own event handlers to toggle, to kick off downloads. If we view load cart, you can see that I've created this. I've implemented the cart both in terms of its event handlers as well as basic CRUD operations on the cart itself in its interaction with local storage. So I thank you for your time, and I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of the Starry Messenger website. Thank you.